Welcome everybody to another Moldex 3D webinar. I'm Alex Baker. I am a Senior Applications Engineer here at the Moldex 3D North America office located in Farmington Hills, Michigan. Today we're going to be talking about a collaborative plastics mold development and knowledge sharing resource that we call the iSLM. Knowledge management in general is really difficult to manage. We have a lot of different systems, things like your PLM systems, product lifecycle management, that helps you to release and approve molds. It helps you to change over machines. It helps you to control a lot of the information. Then we have your enterprise resource planning sort of softwares that allow you to control the finances and allow you to deliver financial planning to a lot of the different resources among your team. MES systems, manufacturing execution systems, help you to check the quality of your parts, manage the production schedule, and ultimately deliver how much is actually coming out of the mold as far as yield is concerned. But these three systems very rarely talk to one another. Obviously, there's a team associated with each of these, and different members of that team have their hands in different resources. But the Moldex 3D iSLM is really meant to be this kind of all-inclusive knowledge sharing resource that allows you to increase the collaboration between the different facets of the design cycle. All right, so why do we need a dedicated platform for plastic part and mold development specifically? Now, obviously, iSLM being associated with Moldex 3D is really focused around the production cycle and the mold development process for the molding process. Well, for plastics molding, that is. But first of all, injection molding and really all molding processes are extremely complex, and the pressures are extremely high from the high level business side and even from the lower level production side. Every project is different. They have different short delivery times and thin margins. The design changes frequently, as many of us know. The learning curve is pretty high from a production standpoint, and even from a simulation standpoint. Sometimes learning how to apply that knowledge can be quite difficult. And then ultimately just a lack of knowledge